Hey guys, this is Sean Hill, the Passive Income Coach, and I got the keys for a new test drive. We're going to test it out, 5%er. So we'll see what it's all about. But before we get behind the wheels, I want to make sure that I give you a moment to read this disclaimer. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. So the name of this platform is Revod or Revod.io. Let's check it out. I'm just going fresh, just like I want to with you. I haven't checked it out before, so we're just going to learn things as we go about this one. Definitely is a pretty site. You know, I've always been attracted to blue. So the benefits, multiple investment earnings, trusted, secure, daily auto payments, was definitely like that. It doesn't tell us how long it's been online. It seems like it must be pretty new. It's only have 383 investors. I would like to see how long it's been here. Total deposits 30,000 and total withdrawals 1152.77. So this must be pretty new. Maybe it'll tell us somewhere else. What is Revod? Have you ever heard of crypto trading? Revod is a group of professional traders who are experts in technical analysis. We believe in tight stop-ups, whatever that. Tight stop loss in all our trades, which means the risk of liquidation is very low, blah, blah, blah. No fees, daily automatic profits, professional support, earnings direct to your wallet. We like all those things. That is driving me crazy right there. Okay, so let's look at the investment plans. 5% daily for 30 days, 150% total profit. Principal is included. Minimum deposit, $25, auto payment, referral. So here's what it is, guys. Understand, and here's how you have to read these things going forward. When something says 5% daily, but the principal is included, you're not getting 5% profit. What you're getting is a portion of your principal and a portion of the profit. So it's really not, now we can do the numbers later, and that's how you have to look at these things. Sometimes this is just marketing, right? So it's not a true 5%er. And we'll look at, usually when the principal is included, you're not getting your money back. So there's not an early out, early out for that. So if you needed to withdraw it, it's being paid out to you daily. So normally you can't withdraw that, but we'll see. But I just want to kind of break this down. It's saying 5%, but it's really not a true 5% profit per day. Is going to be a portion of that. So it says 150%. So we just look at this. All you have to do for 30 is just divide that by that. So what you're looking at is truly about a little over 1.7, 1.5, 1.7, 1.5 would give us about 45%, you know, right around 1.6, something like that. That's what this is. So don't listen to the marketing. This is truly profit. True profit is about 1.6. And so this is 7% of 25. So this is 250. This is a minimum 1,000 for 9% a day for 15 days. So the principal, see, the principal is included in all of these. So once again, that's all you have to do is you divide the percentage, the 35% into the number of days. That's how much you're getting per day. So, you know, so this is an easy one. So you're getting about 2% per day on this, right? So it's 20 days. So it's 40% because the principal is included, divided by 20 days. So you're getting about 2% profit on this one. On this one. So that's what's looking at there. 6%, 25 days, 100%, 150% profit. That's a minimum deposit 50. Minimum deposit 500, 8% for 20 days, and this one is a minimum deposit of 2,000. That's 10% a daily for 15 days. So once again, you just divide the number of days into the percentage. That's what you're going to get. So you're looking at this one. You're looking at a little bit over 3% a day of true profit, not your principal, but of true profit. You're looking at about 3% a day. So you know. It's reasonable. So let's see. Let's keep rocking and rolling. They do have a referral program, 5, 3, 2, 1, kind of like that. That kind of is pretty cool there. So they tell you the payment methods: Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Litecoin, Tron, and Tether. So we like seeing all that. And these are the live withdrawals that are happening. So that's cool, cool. Shows that people are withdrawing. I would like to see when it started. So let's look at, so we looked at the investment plans. Let's look at the A's and the Q's. Traders, we said it was a registered company, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. A lot of them registered companies. But this one, this company is under the government regulator of California. Oh, so that's a little different. This was in the US. Interesting. Most of these are in England. How did it generate profits? So that's through trading. Can I open 2 accounts? Yes, you can open multiple accounts for the same IPO location. We don't have any restrictions. That's kind of a red flag for me. But once again, I look for things that limit the growth of a platform, because here's what happens, guys. When you have unrestricted growth, platforms those type of platforms tend to get away. The platforms that have restricted growth tend to be long-term and tend to last long, not all the time. So what happens is when you have unrestricted growth, it becomes just pouring money in. Let's get the money in as fast as we can, they're pouring in as fast as we can, and then we bounce, right? If you have restricted growth, you're planning long-term most of the time. Is that a guarantee? No. But I always kind of look for what I call the anti-whale type restrictions. And when platforms don't have any, that's a major red flag. Is it possible to register without a sponsor? You can register without a sponsor. There's no restriction to that. Okay, I guess you can just click on how much does it cost to open an account. Open an account is usually free. Can I open 2 deposits with 2 different currencies at the same time? Yep. It's been 24 hours. I have not received my auto withdrawal. Minimum amount for automatic withdrawals are as follows: Perfect Money $1, USDT, Bitcoin 10, Litecoin 5, USDT 3, Tron 3, USD. Please check if your earnings is above the minimum threshold before contact support. If it's above, please check your wallet address or support. Yada yada yada. Okay, does every investment plan have the same referral commission? Yes. Do I need to have an open active deposit to receive referral commissions? No. So you don't need that. So that's kind of the limit of the F, the A's, and the Q's. All right, guys. Like I said, you have to be able to move past the marketing. So the marketing will get you here. So I'm sorry. Okay, so we're on investment plans. What is that? This might be the Telegram. Okay, open Telegram, desktop view Telegram. So this has got, this has got a lot of members in it. So this may have been going for some time. So it's got a lot of members. June 13th, June 12th. Wow, this has been going for a minute then. June 12th, no, not really. So this day is the 14th. So it looks like it's been going that long. There's nothing pinned. Looks like maybe usually the time. So this is usually kind of a good date that you can look and see when so it's growing real fast. It is growing real fast, but I guarantee it's growing that fast because people are expecting that 5% a day and thinking that's 5% profit, but it's really not. It's really not. So right now, if you look at it, yeah. So let's go back to it. Let's go back here. Now let's go back. Let's move this out the way. Let's go back here. Yeah. So now so let's see if I can click here. Take me back to the front. Okay. So let's kind of look at this objectively. So it really seems like it's been about 2 days, 383 investors, $1,100 in withdrawals, $30,000 in deposits over 2 days. Let's look at the plans again. So let's look at this with real eyes this time. So you're locked. So your principal is included in your daily profits. That's how you get the 100%. So let's go with the calculator. Okay. Here we go. So let's go here. So 30 days divided by, so 50 divided by 30. So in pure profit, for $25, you're getting about 1.6% per day of pure profit. Not bad, not bad. A pretty new platform, minimum $25. Auto payment referral 54321. Let's see, 5321. I like the referral. I like the referral. I like the referral. So $25 minimum, 7. This is about as good as some of the ones I've seen. Now, the FAQs, I wish they would be a little bit more forthcoming about, you know, is your principal, but it tells you right here that your principal is included. So you're not getting your principal back. Your principal is included. So you couldn't get your principal back if it's included in this. So what you're actually getting is 1.66% per day. So that's what you, so if that's cool with you, understand that's the profit that you're getting. So if that's fine, then no problem. But if you're wanting more than that, you're not getting 5% per day. I just want to, I cannot stress that enough, because sometimes the marketing can be a little, I won't necessarily say it's misleading, because it's there if we read it, but it can be not as clear as I think it should be. So with this one, we really are going to have to, I like it. I like it. It's pretty new. I do like what I'm seeing. 1.66% is better than a lot of the ones I've seen so far. So with that being said, we are going to give this one the gas. We're going to give the gas. We're going to put a little in there, see what we can come up with, and see how long it lasts. So we will see. We'll see what is going on. I got a couple of programs coming up later, so stay around for those test drives. So let's go. Give me a moment while I register. I'll tell you all about that. Don't want to put you through that necessarily if you don't have to be. Hold on just a moment. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. It did not take long at all to register. So really simple process. You don't have to fill out the wallet addresses on the front to register. You can always add those later, I'm sure. So let's go ahead and make a deposit. And here we're going to do daily for 30 days. Yeah, that's the one I'm feeling. Let's see, 6% daily for 50. For 25 days, minimum $50. 5 days. Okay, so if I'm going to do 50, I may as well go with this one, because that's what I'm planning on doing. So yeah. So let's go with this one. And we're going to use TRC20, and we're going to do 50. And we're going to click deposit. All right, so that is the address to send it to. This address. All right, guys, give me a moment while I set up my sending the money to this address. You don't need to watch all that. Hey guys, as you can see, my deposit is there and it's working. And so we'll give this one a run. I don't know how long this is going to last, but we shall see. And I'll kind of keep you updated on my progress as this one goes. All right, so this is kind of the dashboard. We kind of look around: deposit, profile, referral, earnings, referral stats. Let's see what's, I mean, obviously I don't have any referrals as of right now. Kind of like seeing that. Active deposits, have that in there. So that looks good, like that. Auto withdrawals. Okay, cool. All right, guys, so as I know more about this platform, I will let you know. And if you got value from this, we're going to give this one the gas. If you got value from this, make sure to give me those, the likes, thumbs up. It's appreciated. If you want to know when we do the next test drive, make sure you always subscribe and hit that notifications bell. And if you want to try out Revod.io, make sure that you click on the link in the comments and in the description of this video. With that being said, guys, this is Sean Hill, the Passive Income Coach, and I'll see you on the next video.